Hi there, students. A lead time. Lead times. Okay, this is the amount of time it takes from starting something to completing it. Let's see, for example, if you go to Amazon and you buy something from Amazon, what is the lead time from you going click when you actually buy the thing to receiving it in your hand? That is the lead time, the amount of time it takes from placing your order to actually getting it. Or if a company wants to manufacture a product, the lead time would be the amount of time between the company saying, okay, we're going to manufacture this, let's start the process. It will be the time between them saying that and the product. Here's the first one, we've made the first one. This is the lead time, the amount of time it takes to do something from the beginning to the end. If you order a new car, for example, you could it could take some time between ordering the car and actually receiving it. This is the lead time. Okay, so it's the time it takes to set up the factory, to set up the manufacturing process, to design the product, to produce the product, to send the product to the client. That is the lead time. This is a very business word. It's the time it takes after beginning a process until it's finished. So you might want to send a rocket to Venus. So what is the lead time for sending a rocket to Venus? So you need your finance, you need the design, you need to build your rocket, you need to build your launch pad, you need to launch it, and it needs to actually get there. That is your lead time. So the lead time could be 10 years. Yeah, until you actually do it. When I was thinking about this video, I was wondering, what's the lead time for learning English? What's the how long does it take from I want to learn English to actually knowing English? And if your objective is to speak very good English, the lead time is a whole lifetime. If you have a more specific goal, then we could reduce that lead time. What is the lead time between deciding that you want to go from a B2 to a C1? It's probably about 1,000, 2,000 hours of study. It depends how fast you do that and how many hours you do each day. So the lead time, the period of time from when a project is started, when it's initiated, to the time when it's actually done, it's actually finished. Particularly lead times when people are ordering goods. So the Amazon is hoping to reduce lead times by using drones to deliver their product. The lead time for some projects can be so big that it's very difficult to actually find investors. So it's the period of time from where you actually decide, I want this to make this product, to actually manufacturing it. Or perhaps you have the design, the lead time between between having this design and actually manufacturing your product. So lead times, it's the amount of time between initiation of some process and its completion. Yeah. The time required to manufacture a product, to procure a product, it depends. There are many different ways. It's the latency between initiation and completion. The lead time between placing an order and getting it delivered. This is to do with the management of supply chains. So processing lead time, the time required to manufacture an item, the post-processing lead time, the time to make a purchased item available in the shops or in the inventory of a company, the pre-processing lead time, the paperwork, the time it takes for the order to go to the factory. But there are many different types of lead time. Order lead time, for example, production lead time, manufacturing lead time, delivery lead time, order handling lead time. These are all different types of lead time. So, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. This is a business word. Use in semi-formal conversation, maybe just about. Better in a semi-formal business conversation, semi-formal business writing, or something formal. And the lead, it's the time that you have to wait from that. Is the lead, is the how much before you want is the idea of the lead time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lead time.